Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best headband with clips on top for women, the JASSINS 2PC's Bangs Hairstyle Hairpin Headband. This product is designed to help you effortlessly create stylish and secure bangs hairstyles with ease and comfort. Right out of the box, you get two headbands, one black and one brown, made from ABS resin, a lightweight yet durable material that offers excellent flexibility. This ensures the headbands can withstand long-term use without losing their shape or comfort. Whether you have long, medium, or short hair, straight or curly, these headbands promise to hold your hair neatly in place without slipping or causing pressure on your scalp. What sets this headband apart is its clever tooth design featuring 8 small clips integrated into each headband. These clips allow you to customize how many hairpins you want to use and shape your bangs exactly the way you like. The double-layer clip system is particularly innovative. The upper layer weaves through the bangs while the lower layer secures the rest of your hair, preventing any stray strands from covering your face. This makes it ideal for creating a polished, put-together look effortlessly. The ease of use is impressive. You simply put the headband on your head, twist small sections of hair around the forehead into curls, and clip them back with the integrated pins. This design means you can quickly switch between hairstyles or adjust your look on the go without needing extra accessories. Plus, it can double as a braid tool, helping you craft various braid styles with minimal effort. Not only is this headband functional, but it also offers a comfortable fit. It sits firmly on your head but without feeling tight or causing discomfort, which is essential for all-day wear. The design also gently massages the scalp, helping to relieve fatigue and pressure, adding a nice touch of relaxation while keeping your hair in place. These headbands are versatile and perfect for many occasions. Whether you're at the gym, doing yoga, going out with friends, washing your face, or just managing your hair throughout the day, the JASSINS hairpin headbands provide a reliable and stylish solution. They are also a wonderful gift choice for family and friends for special occasions like Christmas, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day. Measuring just over 5 inches in packaging and weighing only about half an ounce, they're compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to carry them in your bag or pack for trips. The set offers great value by providing 2 different color options to match your hair or outfit. In summary, the JASSINS 2PC's Bangs Hairstyle Hairpin Headband stands out as a professional quality hair accessory that combines style, comfort, and functionality. Its unique tooth clip design and flexible resin construction make it a dependable choice for anyone looking to create beautiful, secure bangs or braid hairstyles with ease. If you want a practical yet fashionable way to keep your hair neat and trendy, this headband set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or want to see more honest product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.